Okay, good morning, student. Geometry, one paper solution, part one, part two, we have completed. Now, today we will start one new algebra paper that is given in Navneet Prakashan 21 question set with solution. So, it is very useful, and they have mentioned that it is on the base of reduced portion. So, it is good that from the paper we have not to cancel the sums which are not in the syllabus. So it is 100% from that four chapter and accept that perfect square method and alpha beta method. Let's start. Those who have collected the book that I have marked that assignment algebra geometry, maths book algebra geometry, then practical book. Those who have not taken, please take. All the signatures are done, and those who are remain, they have to submit on this Wednesday or Friday. Question number 1A first. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. 7x minus 4y is equal to 9. Find dx. Dx means 11, 9, 2 minus 4. This is d, this is dx, this is dy. Correct? So 11 for the 44, 9 to the 18. It is minus 62. Minus 62, sorry. This is the answer. What is the sum of the first 10 term of 41, 36, 31? A is equal to 41. Difference is decreasing minus 5. 10. So n is equal to 10. Tn is equal to Sn we want, sorry. In graph you have to calculate because this is MCQ. N D minus 45. 42 suppose it is. So 40 less 3, 37. Any number multiplied by 5 means put a 0. Whose video is on? Remove. Pratik sir, remove whose audio video is on. Why they are coming? Doing time pass. Which of the following is the value of k? X square plus kx minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8. So left hand side, no, it is given root, sorry. So minus 4 square plus k minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. 16 minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 8, it is 2. First answer minus 62, second answer 185, third answer k is equal to 2. what is the number of sample points when a coin, single coin toss? So it is H and T, but they have asked for the number. Question number 1B first. Write two solution for 2x minus y is equal to 1. Two solution from this equation means to form a product or a table. So this goes this side. 2x minus 1 is equal to y. X, y, x, y. This is in the form of y. So x is equal to 0, 1, 2. You can write. Substitute 0, it is minus 1. Substitute 1, 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 3, 5, like this. Roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square is equal to 4ac. You have to go for first, second, third, fourth. Constant for any question. For any question, this you have to write same thing. So b square, b means minus 6 square. 4ac. 6 6 are 36. B square minus 4a and c. Correct. 4 2s are 4 9s are. So it is 4.5 or 9 by 2 also you can write. Find 21st term of 7, 11, 15. So a is equal to 7. Difference is equal to plus 4. Find 21st term. n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. A is equal to 7 plus 21 minus d. 21 minus 1, then d is 4. So this is 7 plus 20, 7 plus 80, 87. So that number will be 87. Next, two coins are tossed. So S is equal to TT, HH, HT, TH. Getting a H on Buddha side. Sorry, on Buddha attempt. H. So number of S is equal to 4. Number of A is equal to 1. So probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S, that is 1 by 4. Find the value of x in the determinant. It is x minus 1, 1, 4. Total answer is given 13. So first bracket, second bracket, minus third bracket, fourth bracket is equal to 13. X4 minus 1, 1. So 4x minus minus plus 1 is equal to 13. 1 this side. 4x is equal to 12. X is equal to 4 3s are. X is equal to 3. Next. One of the root of the quadratic equation is minus 1. Question number 3a. No, I have done it on this. Okay. Find the determinant value of 4, 2, 3, 7. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens are. 2 3s are. Is x minus 1 is a root of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Left hand side x square minus 3x minus 4, substituting x is equal to minus 1. When you have to check that it is a root or not, at that time you have to take only left side. So minus 1 square minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So 1 plus 3 minus 4 0. 3 plus 1 4 minus 4 0 is equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a root of equation. T1 is equal to a is equal to 10. D is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to T1 plus difference 10 plus 2 12. T3 is equal to T2 plus difference 12 plus 2. Number of S is equal to 16. Number of A is equal to 6. So probability of A is equal to number of A, number of S, 6, 16, half. Ten, 15, 20. To find T19. So N is equal to 19. First number is 10. Difference is 5. In AP arithmetic progression, to find A, T1, difference, number of terms, that you must know how to find. Then Tn, then Sn with formula. So we want Tn. A, N, D, 10, 10, 90, T19 100. Two coins are tossed. Again two coin. So S will be TT, HH, TH, HT. A, at least one tail. So A is equal to at least one tail and two tail. At least one means one and more than one. At the most means that number and less than that number up to 0. No tail. So number of S 4, number of A 3, number of B 1. Probability of A, number of A divided by number of S is equal to 3 by 4. Is equal to now simultaneous equation 3x plus 5y x plus 5y 5y are equal coefficient for the y, but the same sign. When there are same sign, you have to subtract. So subtract equation first minus second. So sign change, sign change, sign change. So this will omit 5y minus 5y 0, 3x minus x is equal to 2x, 26 minus 22 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now, x plus 5y 22 x next. Two-digit number are formed from 257 without repeating. 257 without repeating. So it will be 25, 27. It is 52, 57. This number with both. This number with both. Now this number with both. 72, 75. Divisible by 3. Number divisible by 3. "27" because total is 9. 57 because 12. 12 means 3. 72, 75. Out of 6, 4 number. 25 not divisible. 27, 52. Only this and these are not divisible. Rest of are divisible. Divisible by 5 then. So 5 and 5. 25, 75. Number of S. Number of A. Number of B. 4 to 6. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S is equal to 4 by 6, 2 by 3. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S. Now B part. Students are joining very less. This is a revision time period. They should come at least by watching. They can do some revision. This will may visualize at the time of writing the paper. Question number 3B1. Find the value of n if the sum of the n even natural number are 462. Even natural. 2, 4, 6. Correct. And sum correct. Now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d n number of terms, that is a question. 2 to n question d, this goes this side. 2n minus 2. Now divide by 2. Again 462 n plus n square. This comes this side. So n square plus n minus 462. It is 0. Correct. So n square minus 22 plus 22 minus 21 n. Correct. 22 into 21, that is 462. So it is not a natural number. Therefore, number of terms, this. Now, very good example. 312x plus 138y is equal to 202. So this is first equation, this is second equation. One time adding, one time subtracting. One time by adding. Now only with 25 we can cut. 18x, 18y. Now again with the 3 we can cut. Correct. So this is 3. Now subtract this minus this. 71, 29. Correct. Now that is not divisible by it is divisible by 6. 6x. Now this is equation 4. So x is equal to 6 by 12. So x is equal to half. Substitute in very simple equation. For example, this. Three plus 6y is equal to 5. 6y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 3 by 2 by 3. So x and y, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, x and y. First bracket. Number of trees in each column is 10 more than each row. Row, column, total. In each row, this x, column 10 more. And the total number of trees are 3000. Let the number in column be x, row 10 more, x plus 10, total 3000. So row into column is equal to total. X plus 10 is equal to 3000. X square plus 10x minus 3000. When from 3000 you need 10, so remove 1 0, remove 2 0. Now we don't want 10 from 3000, we want 1 from 30. So 6 5 are 30 and 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So 0 0. When you will put 0 0, you will get double 0. When you will get the difference, this. So x square plus 60x minus 50x minus 3000.